Fox 59 Morning News. The Colts organization makes mental health a priority every day of the year, but today specifically, it's Mental Health Action Day. We're also in the middle of May, which is Mental Health Awareness Month, and it's a perfect time to talk with Colts owner and vice chair, Kaylin Jackson, who is live with us this morning. Kaylin, good to see you again. What are you and the Colts doing? Let's start with today specifically for Mental Health Action Day.
Yeah, good to see you again too, Angela. So Mental Health Action Day is actually something spearheaded by MTV, but it really is an effort to bring hundreds of brands, nonprofits, leaders globally to participate in really shifting from awareness to action. And this year's theme, it's their third year of doing it, and this year's theme is really to take 1 hour for yourself, for your loved one, or for your community. So it could be anything from, working out for an hour, journaling, volunteering. I mean, you name it. It's anything that makes you feel better. But really, it's about the awareness piece, which is, fits very well in what we have been doing with Kicking the Stigma.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit more about that, because your dad and you and your family launched Kicking the Stigma in 2020 as an effort to raise awareness, again, removing the stigma around mental health illnesses. And what do you think has been for you the biggest, maybe the thing that makes you smile the most, or the biggest success for you that maybe we don't all know what means the most to you out of what you all have been able to accomplish?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's so many things. It's such a hard question. I mean, definitely the stories that we hear from people, and that some people are sharing them with us for the very first time, and they're strangers to us simply because they feel comfortable and we have made it okay to do so. So that's always number one on my list. But I think something that just happened this week is really seeing real change in our state and in our city. We had our first mental health summit that was put on by the Mental Health Roundtable, which I'm proud to be a part of. That's led by the Lieutenant Governor. And so to see a room full of hundreds of city leaders and nonprofits really coming together, it really feels like real change is happening, which is obviously, all we hoped for when we started, and why we are continuing, to put such effort behind this.
Yeah, and I think that when you're talking about those nonprofits, people are like, okay, well, where does the money go? What do people actually do? There are grant applications. Well, there's grants available, and those applications are available right now through June 12th. How do people do that? Or if somebody's watching and maybe they have, a not-for-profit, and they're like, okay, well, I wonder if I could write a grant and maybe get something to help, what would you tell them?
Yeah, I mean, we get a lot of questions about it all the time. I mean, it really helps us keep a pulse on what's out there and what's being offered, so that we can really highlight the good work that's already being done that just needs more funding. One of the things we get a lot of questions on is programming, and we really put a big emphasis on evidence-based practices. So anyone who's watching right now who's considering applying, if it has any programmatic elements, we really need to see that. But really, we encourage anybody to share the link to the application, and it's still only our third year, so we're still kind of somewhat promoting the fact that we are doing this, but it's been really successful so far, and we know that each year it only gets better. I think last time I was with you, our number was different, but we have thus far, through the grants and through our own donations personally, whether that be through awareness or, bigger gifts like the Irsay Institute at IU, we've committed over $24 million to date. So we're not stopping anytime soon, and we're really proud of the work we've been able to do so far.
$24 million. I mean, I just want a personal thank you. And before we run out of time, there's something else kind of cool that's coming up May 19th to the 20th in New York. Bill Wyman, the bass player for the Rolling Stones, is going to donate a portion of the proceeds from the sale of his personal memorabilia to Kicking the Stigma. And quickly, if you want to talk about that in the Stronger Together t-shirt, other ways that people can help.
Yeah, well, everything can be found on Colts.com/KTS, from, resources for yourself or for your loved ones, or where to purchase apparel, etc. But yeah, that's a really cool partnership that we've been able to develop with Julian Auctions. And they've really helped us connect with a lot of different, rock and roll or celebrity types that are interested in donating some of their funds to us, which is just such an honor. And obviously the tie to my dad's love and our love of music, it fits so nicely.
Kaylin, it's so good to see you again. Again, a personal thank you from all of us here at Fox 59. Tell your dad that we said thank you to, and the whole family. We appreciate you.
Thank you so much. It's good to see you.
Yes. Head to fox59.com/links. The information is there. The Colts grant applications, Kicking the Stigma, the gear, a list of the mental health resources. Jim, it's in one place. And They know how to do it right.
Yeah, they definitely do, and they are all in on it. We love that. 9:16.